today we're going to make spaghetti, meatballs, and red sauce. The first thing we need to do is grab some bread and make some Italian breadcrumbs. So get your bread, open it up, and cut it all into cubes and throw it into the food processor. Hard to cut. Little crumbs. Then we're gonna bake these for 10 or 15 minutes in the oven. Over here. Once the breadcrumbs are out of the oven, you season it with your favorite Italian seasoning. And then you set them aside when you're done mixing them up. Then we're going to make the meatballs. First, we're going to add the veal. Flops in there. And pork, I think. Beef. And our breadcrumbs. Parmesan. Parsley. And garlic. 4 eggs in. Last one. Now we're going to mix it with our hands. Now, and this is the messy part. Oh, and after that, you wash your hands. The eggs really are cold. Once it is all mixed, you go and give your brother a big hug. Make them as big as a golf ball, and that would be about 50 meatballs. My mom will also help roll the meatballs. With the sauce. First we cut up an onion. Onions are hard to cut for a little girl. Ow. Then we throw them in a pot with some olive oil till they're nice and soft. now. Once the onions are soft, you take your garlic and throw it in until it's brown. The next step is to pour canned tomatoes into the bowl. Hear that nice sizzling noise? Careful, don't burn yourself. Then you can add some salt and pepper as much as you want. Once it's nice and bubbly, you'll blend it up. Cheese rinds laying around, you can throw them into the pot for some extra flavor. Now we put all the meatballs in to finish cooking. Now since they're all in, you'll let them simmer for a few hours. Oh, and make sure you put the lid on. Now we are going to make the spaghetti. First we're going to add 2 cups of flour into the bowl. Then you make a well. Then you're going to take 2 eggs, put them in the middle of the well. So we're going to add 3 egg yolks. Once they're all whisked, you start to give flour into the eggs. And you might notice that it get harder to mix. Then you mix it with your hands in the bowl. The egg will stick to your hands. Once it's all mixed up, put it on the table and knead it until it's nice and smooth. Hard to knead. And it will sort of be turning out looking like this. Once you're done kneading and it's nice and smooth, shape it into a ball and you're gonna plastic wrap the ball with plastic wrap. Oh, you're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. Once it has rested for 30 minutes, you'll unwrap it and cut it into 4s. Then you take some flour and sprinkle put on your surface, and you want to start flattening one out. You want to run the pasta through your machine, then fold it, run it, fold it about 2 or 3 times. On the first one, it's always the hardest one. As you can see. Then you're gonna make it thinner and thinner by changing these settings on here. You go put it through here. Ta-da! Fancy one, you can put some herbs into the pasta. Once you got it how you like it, you're gonna fold it in half. Folding. And make sure you're carefully doing it. Okay. Run it through the pasta machine one more time. Now I can say ta-da! And you're gonna cut it the length of the noodles you want. I would say like right in the middle. Now we're gonna cut the spaghetti noodles with your spaghetti machine. Ooh. It looks like it's a waterfall or a pasta fall. Then you're gonna lay it flat and cut some more. It's a waterfall. Once you cut all of them, you'll put it in a boiling pot of water. Oh my gosh. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Cooking with Sloane at Home. Happy New Year!